Stop your iPhone from asking for a password or Face ID. Turn off password requirement. First, open your Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. At the bottom, click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's turned on, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. You'll see a section called Require Password. Here, select Don't Require. Disable Apple ID password for free downloads. Now go back to the main settings page. Tap on your name at the top. At the bottom, click on Media and Purchases. Then tap on Password Settings. Here, turn off the toggle to Require Password. Turn off Face ID for App Store. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Now turn off the toggle for iTunes and App Store. Now open the App Store, pick any free app, tap the download button. No password, no Face ID, just install instantly. And that's it.